In this video, you will see how luxury leather items are made from these pythons.
Make sure to subscribe to the Next Gen Process channel, as it brings you amazing videos like this one.
This ensures their diet is rich and consistent, a crucial part of our sustainable farming.
This delivery is on a tight schedule. Ensure everything is secured.
Keep coming back, easy now. Watch the left side. All right, hold it there.
Keep the line moving smoothly. We need the next crate ready for processing.
This batch needs a thicker coat.
Check for any weak spots near the tail.
I think we're onto something with the textural contrast.
Absolutely. The juxtaposition creates a dynamic feel.
Imagine this cut with a really fluid, almost liquid-like material.
That could work, especially with a subtle shimmer.
The new samples, as requested.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
This green is exceptionally rich, almost jewel tone.
The natural pattern is exquisite. It gives us so many possibilities.
I think the brown provides the depth we need for this jacket.
And the subtlety of the scale variation will truly make it luxurious.
The digital application of these scales must be perfect.
Could we curve the flap slightly more to complement the natural flow of the scales?
That's an excellent point. It would enhance the organic feel. See how the scales now interact more fluidly with the contour?
Yes, that's exactly the refined aesthetic we're striving for. The diamond pattern of the scales on the shoulders creates a subtle strength.
And the gradient of the skin will truly highlight that detail.
This is a strong starting point for production.
Agreed. The vision is clear and the details are precise.
The stitching needs to follow the natural scale pattern right here on the pocket.
Yes, I've updated the 3D model to align the diamond pattern with that reinforcement.
Pay close attention to how the scales overlap here.
The pocket placement on the 3D model looks correct now. Yes, that subtle curve works well with the skin texture.
We need to ensure the stitching on the pockets matches the python grain exactly. The color choice here is perfect.
Every cut must be perfect, no room for error.
The scales need careful handling during stitching.
Did you scan the last pallet? Yes, they are all set for shipment to New York.
Cross-reference the manifest with the box labels. This one goes to Section 3.
Got it. Secure that corner first.
Did you verify the python handbag count for Section B?
Yes, cross-reference with the manifest. We are clear.